How do Americans abroad navigate US tax forms 2555 and 1116? Living overseas can be exciting, but handling US taxes from abroad can feel overwhelming. Today, we're going to break down how Americans living, working, or retiring in Europe can manage two important tax forms, Form 2555 and Form 1116. These forms help prevent double taxation and keep you compliant with the IRS. Form 2555 is used to claim the foreign earned income exclusion. This allows you to exclude up to $130,000 of foreign earned income in 2025 from US federal income tax. To qualify, you need to meet either the physical presence test or the bona fide residence test. The physical presence test requires being outside the US for at least 330 full days within a 12-month period. The bona fide residence test means you have established a residence in a foreign country for an entire tax year. You also need a tax home in that country. When filling out Form 2555, you provide details about your foreign income, your employer, and your residence. You can also claim a foreign housing exclusion or deduction for certain housing costs that go beyond a set base amount. This form is attached to your Form 1040, the main US tax return. If you live abroad, you get an automatic extension to file until June 15, instead of the usual April deadline. Form 1116 is used to claim the foreign tax credit. This credit helps you reduce your US tax bill by the amount of foreign income taxes you paid. If you paid taxes to a foreign government on income that you did not exclude with Form 2555, you can use Form 1116 to get a dollar-for-dollar credit. This means you can subtract the foreign taxes paid from your US tax liability. When completing Form 1116, you report how much foreign income you earned and how much tax you paid. Many Americans compare the benefits of using Form 2555 versus Form 1116 to see which saves them more money. Some choose to use both forms depending on their income sources and tax situation. A good tip is to keep detailed records of all your foreign income, foreign tax payments, and the days you spend abroad. This documentation supports your claims on these forms and makes the process smoother. Knowing early whether you qualify for the foreign earned income exclusion helps you plan your stay abroad better. Remember, Form 2555 only applies to earned income like wages or self-employment income, not to investment income or pensions. If you paid foreign taxes on income that you did not exclude, use Form 1116 to claim the credit. Many Americans find it helpful to work with a tax professional experienced in expat tax rules. The interaction between these forms and other reporting requirements like the Foreign Bank Account Report or the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act can be complicated. Filing both Form 2555 and Form 1116 correctly is key to avoiding IRS delays or audits. In summary, Americans living in Europe navigate these forms by first determining if they qualify for the foreign earned income exclusion or the foreign tax credit. They then gather detailed records of income and foreign taxes paid. Filing these forms with their annual US tax return helps reduce double taxation and keeps them compliant. Staying organized and seeking professional advice when needed makes the process easier and ensures they enjoy their time abroad without tax worries.